am not leaving this room. I am a detainee here in the House of Representatives detention facility for 5 days until the hearing on Monday. Nobody can just come in here and demand to transfer me in the middle of the night. I have my rights. I am
Okay,
not
ma'am.
accused of any crime. I am not leaving this room.
Okay po, ma'am. Yun lang po, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am.
Salamat.
Any other question? Sino to? Dempsey, are you there?
Trixie.
Oh no,
Ay, hello.
Jason muna.
Sige, si Jason muna. Okay.
Jason,
Hi,
SMNI.
hi, Attorney. Good morning po. Attorney, if worst case scenario po, pinilit po kayo nila na ilabas po at i-transfer doon sa correctional, ano po ang magiging gagawin niyo, and will you consider po filing a case against sa mga tao na nasa likod nito?
Yes, because if this is already abuse, and this is really abuse of power already. I am here as a detainee of the house, and that was the order that I read, that was read to me. So I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere.
Ma'am, sa ngayon po ba alam na po ni VP Sara yung sitwasyon po, yung nangyayari po sa inyo? And what was her reaction po? Ano